Carpal tunnel is going to give you tingling and numbness in the hand. The hand is going to feel like it falls asleep, and it's caused by swelling or thickening of tendons that put pressure on the nerve in the wrist. You know, these three fingers are typically involved, and you can see from the drawing there. So how do we treat carpal tunnel syndrome? Well, very simply, and you're going to see a theme here. The theme here is we really try to approach things in the most direct and simple way possible. And what I would tell you now that I'm 50 is occasional aches and pains are part of life. Absolutely, I agree with that. However, if you have frequent symptoms, that's when you need to look into things. So occasional numbness or tingling, even something we know is carpal tunnel, you can wear a splint, you can try ignoring it, frankly. And if it still remains occasional or goes away, then you're good to go. If, however, it's happening to you on a frequent basis, I can tell you your hand falling asleep every night is not a normal consequence of aging. Absolutely, positively not. Nor is it even a normal consequence of arthritis or diabetes.